Folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Today we have a new car dealer trade-in 18 Volvo XC90. Little budget-friendly model here. Really nicely equipped though, super clean. All the XC90s I've had lately are like high-dollar inscription models, T6s, stuff like that. This thing is really nice and it's really well equipped. We bought it, new car dealer trade-in. Folks traded it in because the AC quit working, so we have not put it in the shop yet, but we'll obviously fix whatever needs fixed and make sure the AC system is good as new. No third row in this car, so got a lot of storage back there, but still got a panoramic sunroof, navigation, all that kind of stuff. We've just cleaned it and detailed it. It just got here. There's 2 sets of keys. There's your navigation screen. Everything's really nice. Car only has 98,932 miles on it. We will go through the car, do all the oil and the filters, the fluids, make sure there's no other issues other than the AC. If there is, we'll obviously take care of it. It's already got an almost new set of Cooper tires on it. Car's just in really nice shape, super clean, and good to go. We'll get it in the shop in the next day or two. Come see it and drive it anytime. As always, you can reach me on my cell phone. I pretty much answer day or night if you give me a call. Mike Stout, Sawnee Mountain Motors, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.